Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on send messages on Threads on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click here, click settings, now click here, and now click here, now click permissions. Here as you see you'll find send messages in Threads. Click on it like this and click save, and it will be saved, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.